Hello, this is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International. Today we're looking at a 2005 Ford Excursion 6.0 liter 4x4 with a 243,000 miles in this beautiful gold or beige color, whatever you want to call it. Sitting on some nice bronze method wheels. They look really nice. Got 33-inch tires by 12.5. Those are 20-inch rims. This is the Eddie Bauer edition. This is the highest trim level of the Excursion that was available. Comes with painted bumpers, painted body cladding, running boards, and everything you could get from that time frame. Bought this truck locally down here in Florida. It's very, very clean and good running. Paint has a little bit of dry spots here and there. We didn't do any paint work on it. Got the two-tone seats, black and tan. Cruise control on the, and audio controls on the steering wheel. Power windows, automatic headlights, heated seats, automatic seats. 243K. Got a nice Pioneer modern Bluetooth hands-free radio, equipped with 4x4. Air conditioning, got a brake controller. This is the airlift system, which means it has rear helper bags for towing. Has the built-in air compressor, so to fill your bags, all you have to do is push the button up and it'll increase the airbag support in the rear. So if you have a heavy tongue weight on your trailer, you can offset that and tow comfortably, keeping everything even. Very nice. Up top, you've got the rear AC controls along with the overhead console. Rear vents for the rear windows in the back. And this does have the rear entertainment. Try to zoom out here. Very nice. I'll go ahead and pop the hood now, so then come back around. This is a very, very clean example right here. Tires are in nice shape, wheels look new. Very nice. Rear backup sensors. Just a super clean truck. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a healthy 6.0, 2005 with 243K. If this looks like what you're looking for, please give me a call right away, 954-258-2700. We do end our sales early for interested buyers, so if you see this online, anywhere, please give me a call right away. Best way to get a hold of me is direct phone call, 954-258-2700. If you can't get me on the first try, please leave a message or send me a text. Let me get underneath for y'all. Here you go. Thank you for watching my video. Like I said, if you got any questions or something you didn't see today you'd like some more information on, please give me a call, 954-258-2700. Thank you for the opportunity, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.